The Beast is here.
Time for a beatdown, cowboy style.
The following is an Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing in at 295 pounds, the Beast, Brock Lesnar.
It is cowboy time at the Showcase of the Immortals.
Brock Lesnar has been a WrestleMania main eventer ever since his first WrestleMania, where he won the WWE title from Kurt Angle.
Since then, he's had many main event encounters against the likes of Triple H and Roman Reigns, even ended the Undertaker's streak.
But this man has a WrestleMania chip on his shoulder after losing the championship unification match against Roman Reigns at the biggest WrestleMania match of all time.
It may be cliche, but I think it's about time to batten down the hatches.
In the case of the destructive force that is the Beast incarnate, that cliche is absolutely true.
He's laid waste to countless competitors, destroyed rings, ramps, every part of the arena. Brock Lesnar is a force of nature.
Weighing in at 218 pounds, CM Punk!
The best in the world has arrived on the grandest stage of them all.
CM Punk has done it all at WrestleMania. Won Money in the Bank, defended the WWE title, faced The Undertaker.
But CM Punk wants one more bullet point on his WrestleMania resume. Compete in the main event and win.
Whatever this superstar does, you cannot allow Brock Lesnar to enter beast mode.
What are you going to tell me next? You're not going to allow water to be wet, Saxton?
Byron, think of the great Iron Man matches throughout history of WWE, from the first one between Bret Hart and Shawn Michaels to Triple H and The Rock, all the way up to Sasha Banks and Bayley.
These classic matches are deeply personal and serve as a bare-bones test to decide which... Armbar, leg lock, submission!
Oh, man. Quick as a cat, just like that. That was a thing of beauty. Beautiful. Float over neck breaker.
Picture perfect.
Springboard clothesline.
Oh, what a plex. He saw that one coming.
Boom, DDT.
Oh, what a kick.
Ooh.
He thinks he has it. And Brock Lesnar manages to power out at 2.5.
Very close. Fatigue clearly setting in.
These are grueling encounters. Corey, how important is it to score the first fall in this matchup?
It's of the utmost importance because technically it could be the...
No.
Suicide dive!
Whatever it takes to win. That's finding any which way to topple the competition.
Hurling your own body like that is insane.
crank in the head.
Vicious right forearm.
Lesnar is overwhelmed. Lesnar is overwhelmed.
Punk is refusing to let up, and Lesnar is without an answer to this assault.
And he gets delivered back into the ring. No telling what's underneath the ring tonight.
What are they going to do with that ladder?
And he'll leave the ring for this next.
CM Punk with a jarring Uranagi. Look at this.
Oh, is he going to tap? Oh, a couple of knees there. That'll get him out of it. Thrown out of ringside and back to the mat.
Earth-shaking pop.
Makes the cover. He gets the shoulder up at 2.
He's determined to keep this matchup going.
Tough position to be caught in here. Ooh, right to the throat. And he goes for the pin. And they kick out at 2. Not yet. Setting foot in the ring now.
Punishing power slam.
There's a fisherman suplex. Brock Lesnar now has his opponent trapped in the corner. A few knees from Brock will damage him.
Into the corner. This can't be good.
Taking this outside. This could be good.
Settling on the kendo stick. No good can come from this.
Tensions are high as we approach the final moments, all tied up.
And still not a single fall. Even though it's still anyone's game, you have to imagine these competitors are feeling some level of frustration.
Knee to the face, short arm clothesline.
And Lesnar got met with resistance there.
I mean, just think about how punishing this match has been already. That all adds up.
Boom! What a right! Taking this to the floor. He gets back into the ring. Oh, my! Brock Lesnar.
German suplex by Lesnar.
Time is fading. Will someone break the tie?
This is unbelievable. We are so deep into this class and have yet to see a competitor score a fall. A tie is ruled a draw, and no one wants that.
And continuing to put it. That should do it right there. No, he gets the shoulder.
Oh, no.
Time's up, and this one goes down as a draw.